Hello everybody, welcome back to Awkward Cat Gaming. This is Tom's Playhouse, and I'm Tom, Awkward Cat Gamer. Now, if you remember last time, we started building this castle. And we put our gates on already. We have a front and a side gate. But today, I'm going to be showing you how I built this. Now, on the last episode, I did talk about building a bridge to go across there. And making some kind of a drop bridge. And so I did. So let's have a quick look about it. Now if you come over here, I have a button, just like I do in there. Sorry if I'm turning that too fast. And when you push it, ta-da! It all opens up. Now, all we have here is the creative mod. And a well down there. You see that? Must have been that clicking noise I was hearing. Did you all hear the well clicking? So, all this is a spinning rod with a gate attached to it. And then I built up around it for design. Of course, to make it where no one can sneak up on our island. That was a flying squid. We all saw it. Now, just like with the gate, I have it hooked up to one of these receivers. And the frequency is just a wood block. So when I push it, everything closes. Just like that. Now if we go over here. That is a mechanical spinning mechanism there. I'll show it to you. Just a second. 1 second, I gotta make it daytime. Yay. Okay, that is the device controlling it. That is what's telling the gate what to do. There's the receiver that's giving it signal. And then I have one of those cheater generators on it. Because all I plan on doing here is building. Now, I will decorate this further, but this is just the, I guess, base model. Now, the bridge, see how many blocks it is. Wait a minute. Oh, that's right. Duh. It's attached to this thing here, so it's not going to let me mess with it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. So over here. Oh, now we're swimming. Come on, get it together. I think I just did 2 from each end. So 1. Or was it 3 from each end? May have been 3. Just like that. We're going to go to one of the sides. And we're going to take out all 3 blocks. Just like this. Now to build this, what we're going to need, that's trash. That's trash. And what we're going to need is a sequence gear shift, the mechanical bearing, some slime, the radial chassis, that's what spins in a circle, and that's it for now. We don't want to pick that junk up. We're going to come over here. We're going to line out 7 of these. Just like that. We need to go ahead and switch this to the closed position. That way when we hit the button, it all opens and shuts the same. That's actually 18 blocks high. There's no way anybody's breaking in there. Okay. This I actually cranked all the way up to 16, but I'm going to turn it down. These actually really only need to be on 1 because I can use glue. Dang it. I'll get it together. Just give me a second. 1, 1, 1. So I'm going to use glue. So on the face of this, we are going to put an 18 high wall. So we're going to go like this. And we're going to go up 18 high. Just like that. And that's just because of how far that is. Whenever this finally shuts, it'll be just right. Turn that off. And then, what is that? Connected to that, we're going to put our bearing. Rotate it around so it's facing the right direction. Our sequenced gear shift. So that one's coming this way. So this one needs to go the opposite direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and see what this one's set to. That one is set to right and then left. So when we come over here, we're going to set this one to left. Await redstone. And then right. Let's double check over here. So this one goes right, await left. And then this fellow over here goes left, await right. They have to go opposite directions since they close in opposite directions. Simple, simple. Okay. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to build a big fancy gate on this side that like I have on that side. Which I don't know. Maybe I should. So let's go get our exact measurements. Okay. So all we need now is our exact measurements. I just need to know how many blocks away that is from the wall. 1, 2. 2 blocks away. So what we're gonna need is to go right here. 1, 2. And then we make a hole. Boom. Then we come over here. 1, 2. Hole. Put that in there. Now, anytime it turns sideways on you like this, see how that one landed right, but this one didn't? All you have to do is smack it. Just like that. And it rotates. Boom. There it is. Oh, 1 second. Forgot. You have to put some slime on this. And then you stick these back in. Go to our super glue. We're gonna glue all these bad boys together. Just like that. Look how pretty. Now, I'm not gonna put power to this thing yet. And that is because I don't want it to turn on. But I will show you how to put power to it in just a second. Which I guess we can. It won't hurt anything. But let me finish building this. So on this, we're going to take some more of these radial chassis. I think I went up 6 high on the other side. that 6? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. That was 7. You can make it as high as you want. I wasn't counting. Slime ball. Now, when you do this, you want to make sure that you only click it one time. If you double click it, it'll do more than one side. Just like that. And this is where we get our iron gate. We're not ready for buttons yet. We're done with the slime. Don't need a tripwire. Here, let me find a... It's fine. We just need the iron gates. We're going to need this. At some point, we're going to need a button. We shouldn't need this anymore. But we are going to need our cheater engine. Okay. Now over here, we're going to push the shift button to make ourselves crouch. Let's slap that bad boy on there. And frequency 1. Oh, you have to uncrouch. And frequency 1 is where we're going to put our oak block, which is what powers that side over there. Isn't that pretty? Just like that. And then we're going to come here. We're going to put in gate. Go ahead and bring this all the way across. So I don't have to come back up here. Just like this. There's a faster way for me to do that, and I will show it to you. I just click on wall. Just like that. But you want to put these all the way across. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. Take out our super glue. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and throw a cheater motor on there. And then I'm going to turn this down to 4. On the bottom of here, we're going to need a sequenced gear shift. Do your best not to accidentally put the cheater motor there, then this will all open and everything will be uneven. Connected to that is where the cheater motor goes. Which, the reason I call it a cheater motor is because you can crank it up super high and it doesn't need a source to be powered. Like it's a cheater motor. Okay. And then I'm going to build the floor to out here so that I can work. And then I'll destroy it. So on the side of there, we're going to push our shift so we can throw these on. Did I turn that down? Anyways, so we can throw those on, unshift, frequency 1, just like that. Let's jump off because we have to make sure it's going the right speed. 4. Yep. 4. Now to change the speed, you just scroll while holding the wrench. Now, I'm not going to put an activation button on this side here. And that is because I don't want anybody to be able to open this. Oh, so I forgot to tell you all about this part. You have to go to these radial things here. and crank these down to 1. You could turn them to 3 and it would do the same thing as putting the glue on there since it goes 3 across. But these will grab anything that is 3 out. So if for some reason something else is accidentally here, it will grab it. So I prefer just to use the super glue. Now, these also grab in all directions, so it grabs off it this way as well. Make sure all of these say 1. Make sure all of these say 1. Okay. Now we want this to open that way. So what we want is the opposite of what's on this side. So if I go over here and have a look in there, this one goes right and then left. Okay. Right and then left. So we need to come back over here. That's the whale making all those noises. Don't be frightened. So the one completely adjacent to it, we're going to go left, wait for a signal, move by angle, just like that. This one is going to be the opposite of the other one, so this one will be right. Await pulse, turn by angle, change that back to the opposite direction. Good, so this one's left and then right. And this one is, well, left, right. So this should be right, left. Yep. Okie dokie. We should be ready to give it its first try. So let's see what happens. We're going to push the button. Drawbridges should come down. Why didn't they come down? Oh. I know what I did. How dumb of me. Oh, that was so dumb. So, what I did is you have to take this wrench, go over to the signal thing, and smack it. Just like that. You push the right click. And you just smack it. Like that. What you want is that white little circle to be over it, so that it is a receiver now. See the white circles? The one giving the signal has no white circle. So now if we try again, there should be, yep, a bridge lowering on the other side. And it's one spot too long, but that's fine. I'll just kill that side. Yeah, I'll just do that. And the gate opened. Look at that. So either I can murderlate this side here, or I can shorten this, or I can leave it as it is. I really don't like it being uneven. But at least we know it works now. Close it. See the bridge going up. So yeah, I'm probably just going to take one side out. Like that. Then we just do that. Repeat the process. We need our mechanical. Put the bearing there. Smack the bearing with the wrench till it's facing the direction we want it to. Not be in trouble. Gear shift. Cheater motor. Turn down to 4. And then on top of there, we're going to shift. Throw that bad boy on. Unshift. Frequency 1. Smack it with a wrench. Now we do have to go and fix this. We have to unglue it. Restart our gluing. Just like that. Now. Oh, you can see my glues in there too. So you can see any of your glue when you're holding the glue stick. Turn that off. Now, pushy the button. And we are good. They got destroyed. What the heck? Did that turn it all? I guess it's kind of hard to see from over here. It turned. Oh. I know what I did. Okay. I forgot to set the motor. Give me 1 second. Put it back upright. Now, those are just the bricks from here. Why didn't that turn? You know what? First, let me set this motor. So it has to be the opposite of this one. Let's go see what this one is. This one is right and then left. So come over here. Do right. Left. Right? Or should this one be left and then right? What was this one? Right, left. So this one. Left, right. Very good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a receiver here so I can see what it's doing, and then I'll destroy it. I shouldn't need cheater motors. Let's go down. Aha. That's what's going on. It's missing that. Close. Open. Do it again. Close. Open. All right. Now let's fill in all the blocks that we lost. Just like that. Now, I can fill them in one at a time like this. Or, which if y'all want to know the mods that I use, maybe I'll do a video and show you. The ones I use are mainly just for doing this building. That's because I do a lot of building. But alright, that is the basic mechanics of how our bridge is going to function. And that's going to be the end of our little video. Maybe for the next video we will, who knows? We'll build something else. Let's see. Maybe in our next video we'll build the tower in here and finish up these guard posts. But that's where we're at. Y'all have a wonderful night, and thank you for joining this short little video. Maybe y'all want to see it close again. Let's try one more time. Let's give it a close. Ta-da! And now ships can get by, and no one can come into our castle. Alrighty. Y'all have a wonderful night. Thank you for joining. And I will hopefully have this episode posted soon. Bye.